I'm swapping these old interior lights for these new LED ones. But first I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, so skip to 2 minutes-ish if you just want to see the LEDs get installed. So here's the deal. I removed the supercharger to replace the pulley with a smaller one to get some more boost. And when I did, I discovered this broken vacuum hose. And while I had the supercharger off, I decided to also repaint it. When I did that, I realized that my bypass valve was broken. And of course the valve is super rare and pretty much unobtainable, so I had to order a similar one from across the Atlantic that hopefully works. Then one of the screws holding the valve to the bracket was stripped, and that took a very long time to get off. It was unbelievable. And then this part actually came off the supercharger. This is the bracket for the valve. It literally broke off when I tried to get that stripped screw out. When putting the charger back in the car on first startup, the injector starting to leak fuel down on the painted intake, which literally melted the paint away. So I had to replace the O-rings in the injectors and then repaint the supercharger. And then the long tensioning screw for the belt that's right here was also stripped, and it was bent. So it was pretty much impossible to get out. I spent hours doing this, and in the last hour it broke off. Then I drilled a new hole and made some new threads, and then the thread tap literally broke off in the hole, so I had to redo it again and again because the drill bit broke off as well. Now finally I got a new screw in place. I used helicoil. Then on startup, my belt, my serpentine belt, literally melted through the tensioner pulley. I believe that the pulley seized somehow, but I'm not sure. So that is trash. Oh, and my Civic right here just went into limp mode and gave me a fault code on cylinder 3 misfire. So that's fun. So yes, this is where we're at right now. I am currently waiting for new pulley, a new belt, and the bypass valve actuator from across the Atlantic. They should arrive in a few days so I can crack on with this. So yeah, everything has taken way longer than I thought. So hence the inactivity, and I'm sorry about that. Am I sorry about that? I don't know. But I thought I needed to give you guys an explanation. There it is. All right. And these are actually pretty simple to replace. Usually you just need to use something like a small flathead screwdriver to remove the cover. Then you'll see the bulb, which you can also use the screwdriver to remove. Easy peasy. Get your new bulb. And these ones I got is actually quite a bit thicker in the ends than the old ones, but they do work. There we go. Just put it back on. And we're good. We got LED lights. Sick. And for the dome light, usually what you just need to do is press both ends inwards and they usually pop right out. Nice. Apparently with these LEDs, if it doesn't work on the first try removing it and reversing it, put it back together. There we go. Nice and bright. Feels a lot more modern and fresh. Sick. That's how you do it, folks. Couldn't get any easier.